Garnish with consumer goods, tailoring your recipe. My name is Felicia Liu and I work with food products. Here's a quick run-through on tailoring your recipes to fit consumer preferences, fellow foodies. 1. Understand your audience. Whether they are health-conscious, have dietary restrictions, or are comfort eaters, understanding who they eat is your first step. 2. Adjust to taste. Now make your modifications. Less salt? More heat? Plant-based? Mold your recipe to their palate. 3. Test, test, test. Never assume it's perfect. Test it out on a small group from your target market, gather feedback and keep fine-tuning. 4. Packaging and presentation. Remember, we eat first with our eyes then with our mouth. Make sure your dish not only tastes good but also looks appetizing. 5. Communicate. Be transparent about any changes you make. After all, your consumers will appreciate your efforts in making them happy. Tailoring your recipe to consumer preference in a nutshell. So, what's on your menu today?